Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hassan Mahmood from Integral Global. Today I am going to present a ACV microelimination project that we are implementing in urban slums of Islamabad. The project is funded by John C. Martin Foundation and is implemented by Integral Global under the auspices of Federal Ministry of Health. Division of Viral Hepatitis of CDC USA are our technical partners. There are total 17 slums in Islamabad with a total population of 50,000. These are marginalized Christian community and they are daily wage earners, laborers. The project goals are to provide free screening, testing and treatment for ACV to all the individuals who are 12 years and above. We also increase awareness about Hep C infection in these slums and increasing hepatitis B vaccination. Moreover, we are verbally screening for tuberculosis and referring potential cases to a public sector TB clinic for further testing and follow up. We have hired four community health workers from every community who are trained to screen people using WHO pre-qualified rapid testing kits, screening kits in these slums. The people who are anti-ACV positive, they are referred to a public health care facility that is officially designated by Federal Ministry of Health for the project. There people are tested for ACV RNA using a gene expert machine that is provided by the federal government of Pakistan. Their APRI score is calculated and treatment is dispensed based on the APRI score. Patients are counseled to visit health facility 3 months after the end of treatment to check their sustained virologic response. And whosoever achieved SVR, they are given a cure certificate. These are community workers. The data is recorded using a paper questionnaire and is entered into the Excel sheet. All the personal identifiers are masked to ensure the confidentiality, and data is managed by Ministry of Health and Integral Global. CDC DVH is analyzing this data sheet and share with us their analysis report on monthly basis. Now we are going to share our preliminary results. So far, we have screened more than 11,000 individuals in 10 slums. Anti-HCV prevalence is 3.2%. 86% individuals are tested for ACV RNA, out of which 76% are ACV RNA positive. 98% have initiated treatment and 94% are tested for SVR, out of which 95% are cured. Our community health workers are the strength of this project because they provide regular follow-up, high rates of adherence to care cascade, and they have reached a marginalized population. The preliminary conclusions of our projects are that we have some strengths, which are that we are providing a one-stop shop. That is, testing and treatment is done on the same day. It is simple and it is free of charge for this underserved community. Furthermore, we are demonstrating a public-private model which is very sustainable because government of Pakistan is fully owning or giving ownership to this project. However, there are certain limitations which include low education and lack of awareness among these people to understand the importance of screening that led to the refusal and loss to follow up. And also, of course, paper-based data entry. But we are planning to shift to GIS mapping and to record data electronically using tablets. Next steps are to support Pakistani government in achieving national goal to eliminate hepatitis C by 2030 and to expand project to the rest of Islamabad city and replicate in other underserved settings. We are also adapting the project to address COVID-19 and other infectious diseases. At the end, we are thankful to all our partners for their extended support in implementing this project, and thank you everyone for listening to us. Thank you.